This video shows how to replace the rear drive cage on a PowerEdge R7525. To begin, power off the system and disconnect all the attached peripherals. Please note, always use ESD protection when working inside the system. Now you can remove the system cover. Lift the air shroud out of the system. To remove the rear drive cage, loosen the captive screws on the system. Now, disconnect the cables from the rear drive cage and place it inside. Press the release tab on the cage and lift it away from the system. You have removed the rear drive cage from the system. To install the replacement rear drive cage, you need to align the guides on the system with the slots on the cage. Now, lower the cage until it is seated firmly on the riser 2. Reconnect the cables on the cage and route the cables to the clip. Then tighten the captive screws to secure the cage to the system. Now you can replace the air shroud. Once the air shroud is placed, replace the system cover. Reconnect the peripherals and connect the system to the electrical outlet. At this point, you can now power on the system. You have replaced the rear drive cage on a PowerEdge R7525. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PowerEdge manuals.